In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the availability panel in Squarespace for managing your scheduling settings. Whether you're using Acuity Scheduling, now part of the Squarespace ecosystem, or the main Squarespace platform itself, these steps will help you seamlessly adjust your calendar settings to suit your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your respective account. If you're using Acuity Scheduling, simply head over to the Acuity website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. On the other hand, if you're managing your schedule through Squarespace, navigate to the Squarespace website, enter your information, and find your way to the home page. Logging in successfully is your first step to accessing those vital scheduling settings. Once you're logged in, it's time to locate the calendar you wish to adjust. You might have multiple calendars set up if you're managing several businesses or appointment types. Go to the calendar section, typically found by looking for a menu or tab labeled Scheduling or Calendar. It is important here to identify the specific calendar that you'd like to edit. This ensures that the changes you make are reflected only in the intended schedule, and not across all your different calendars, which could lead to confusion or scheduling mishaps. After selecting the correct calendar, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Calendar Settings option. This is where all the magic happens. In this section, you have control over various settings such as available time slots, block times, and other scheduling preferences. Depending on your business needs, you can configure availability to match when you or your team are free to meet with clients or fulfill appointments. Remember, ensuring your availability is accurately set up not only assists clients in booking smoothly, but also helps prevent any overscheduling or conflicts in your day-to-day operations. Once you've made the necessary adjustments within the calendar settings, the most crucial step is to ensure these changes are saved. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom or top corner of the settings page. Clicking this ensures that all your alterations are committed and reflect in real time on your public scheduling page. Saving your changes might sound straightforward, but it's vital to ensure your updated settings don't revert to previous configurations, which could lead to potential scheduling errors. As a tip, after saving your changes, go ahead and preview your calendar from the client's perspective. This final step lets you review how your booking's availability is displayed to clients, ensuring everything appears as intended. It helps in catching any errors you might have missed and provides peace of mind that the client experience is seamless. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage your availability on Squarespace, allowing for a more organized and professional scheduling process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.